want some crazy razor sharp chains? Check this video out. I promise you, they'll be crazy razor sharp, guaranteed every time. Wow! Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. Watch the video, and when you're done, hit subscribe and like. Here we go. Woo! Hey folks, Fat Daddy Jeremy here at Razzorsharp. I tell you, my chains are razor sharp. You folks out there said, yeah, stick them in smoke. Ah! Look here, boys and girls. Woo! We got us some smoke. Let's see how these wood eaters purr. Yeah! Fire this up. I'm a decade. Here we go. Look at that! You want some chips? Ripping and chipping, baby! Send your chains to Razzorsharp. I'm telling you right now. I'll take care of you. There's no facts about it, Jack. Hey, right here, crucial and pretty. There's your oak, fellas. Thanks, and God bless. Look at here, boys. Look here. Look here. Look at that. Look at that. You want your wood eaters done right? Woo! Send them to me, boys. Send them to me. Yeah.